Mama, where's my toothpick? I have a toothpick. Now I can vanish it.
Wow! Show the magic. Okay.
Do again.
Wow! Awesome. Very nice. You taught him?
Huh? Yeah.
Flying. Baby potatoes are flying.
Spicy chili baby potato.
Chili.
Yummy. So, I'm going to make oven baked baby potatoes. First, let's go and preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. No means no.
No means yes.
Dude, perfect. 200 degrees Celsius.
Mama, what's this?
These are baby potatoes. I've washed and cleaned them very well. You have to wash them properly because they'll have stains of mud sticking on them. Now I'm going to cut them into halves. Be careful with your hands. Be very careful with your hands or ask an elder to cut the baby potato. Now I'm going to transfer these potatoes into a bowl. Process is very simple. So first I'm going to add some oil, some pepper, I'll put some salt, some Italian seasoning and some garlic powder. If you don't have garlic powder, you can add finely chopped garlic or crushed garlic. I'm gonna drizzle some oil first. You can use any oil of your choice, even olive oil. Freshly crushed pepper. Now some salt to taste. I'm using mixed herbs. You can use any herb of your choice. I have some garlic powder. That's all. Let's toss it. I'm using hands. You can also use a spoon. Line an aluminium sheet on the baking tray. Now I'm going to place my baby potatoes on them. I'm going to evenly spread them. Friends, remember, please don't peel the skin off. The potatoes have to be with the jacket. Atharv, open the oven now. Open. Just open. Nothing will happen. Open. Fast. Oh my god. My sticky hands. Oh, close.
Can I have friends? Mama? Can I?
Friends, once the baby potatoes are half done, you have to flip them so that it gets cooked evenly. You can play around with ingredients. If you want to make it more flavorful, you can drizzle some butter. If you want to make it more spicy, you can add chili powder or even chili flakes and whatever Indian masala you like.
Friends, yesterday my teeth fell. Did I show you?
Atharv's first teeth.
First incisor.
First milk teeth.
This
Baby
is my
teeth.
teeth.
Oh,
It looks like an egg.
It's an incisor. Friends, these are all my teeth which have fallen till now. I've preserved them. Have you preserved your teeth? Really stall for a second. They look so tempting. Did you see the roasted skin? I've garnished it with some coriander leaves, which is optional. It's so soft, so crispy from the outside. I'm having this with a hot and sweet tomato sauce. It's perfectly spiced, just the way I like it. It can be a great party snack. So friends, I hope you like this recipe. Very simple. I hope you'll try it. Please subscribe to my channel. It's totally free, absolutely free. Comment, like and share, and I'll see you soon with a nice recipe. Goodbye.